Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is finding the x and y intercepts of a given line uh, advance. That's the name of the topic. So what we're doing when we're looking for the x and y intercepts here, okay, and we're trying to figure out where does it cross the x and y axis. So let's just say that we had a equation that looks like this, okay? This right here will be your y-intercept, okay, y-int. This right here will be your x-intercept, because that's where it crosses the x-axis and that's where it crosses the y-axis. So how do we find that? Well, it's not too bad. All you have to know is that for the x-intercept, okay, for the x-intercept, it's going to have a y value of 0. So if you think about it, let's do the x-intercept first. X-intercept. Okay, here we go. So what you need to do is put a 0 in for the y. So what that's going to be is 3x minus 2 times 0 equals negative 15. Okay, so there you go. Now, negative 2 times 0 is just 0, so it's not even there. So you can write this as 3x equals negative 15. That would be perfectly fine. And then if you want to get the x by itself, you just divide by 3. If you divide by 3, you get x equals negative 5. And that's going to be where it crosses the x-axis. So that's your x-intercept. Okay, so we got one down, one to go. Let's take a look at the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is similar, just like we used a 0 for the y in the x-intercept. We're going to use a 0 for the x in the y-intercept. Okay? Okay, so that's going to be 3 times 0 minus 2 times y equals negative 15. That's where the equation is. I plug the 0 in for the x value. Now I'm going to solve. So 3 times 0 is 0, so you get negative 2y equals negative 15. That's not too bad. Well, I want that y by itself, so I'm going to divide by negative 2 on each side, leaving me with y equals, well, see how you have a negative and a negative? If you ever have a negative and a negative, just look at it like them canceling each other out. They both become positive, making it 15 over 2. And there's your y value. So what's your x-intercept? Your x-intercept is right here. What's your y-intercept? It's right here. And you're done. Piece of cake, right? Not too bad. Okay, that's all for that one.